Looking for a super easy sweet treat? We have it for you today. Suzanne Clark from Living a Creative Life is here with more. And these are
triple lemon butter cookies.
Sounds delicious.
Doesn't
now
it?
we're looking at them right there, which is good. Now you might have seen these online, right?
But I came up with an easier way to make them
Okay.
using a cake mix.
I love it. You said you don't even need a blender or anything else or
it's
mixer,
so
nothing.
easy. I have in my bowl right now some softened Challenge cream cheese and 1 stick of softened Challenge butter. And
Ready to go.
But see how it has to be this soft. I mean, it really has to
So
be
are you
soft.
going to put it in the microwave for a few?
You can do that or bring it, put it on the countertop until it gets to be the right consistency. So I'm just going to kind of mix this up together. And then, Destry, if you would like to add the egg. Okay.
You have 2 eggs in here?
That is 1 egg and 1 egg yolk.
Okay, 1 egg, 1 egg yolk.
Yeah, if I added that other egg white, it'd be really fluffy because the egg whites make things rise. So we're trying to keep these kind of on the moist side. So now that we have the egg and the cream cheese and butter, we're gonna start adding some flavoring. So we're gonna add right here, this is 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now, this is triple lemon. So one of the types of lemon flavoring that we're going to use is going to be the actual zest from
So we have it
medium.
right here. So this is
Right.
2 medium.
We really are looking for the flavor, so we're just going to go for the zest.
I love that, just the zest. Okay.
So now our next little layer, we're going to use lemon oil. And I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of that into my mixture. But you can smell it right away. You can smell how lemony it is. Now, the next step is to add the lemon cake mix.
Okay, and you have it here.
And
The
it's
whole box?
the whole box, and be careful there. Yeah, it's kind of separate there. And that has lemon flavor in it too. So this is our 3rd layer of lemon
that is
here.
a lot of lemon.
It is.
My whole family, big fans of anything lemon, so this would be a hit.
So I'm just going to keep on stirring this right here, and eventually it's all going to come together, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator.
Okay, what do you have here?
That's going to be, we're going to use that
At the
in a
end.
minute.
Okay, so this goes in the fridge
that's
after
gonna
you're
go in
done
the fridge.
mixing for how long?
About an hour, because it's going to be kind of sticky and hard to, if you pick up a spoon and it's too hard and too sticky, you need to put it in the refrigerator.
Okay.
And here in Arizona, everything gets so warm so quick.
Okay, so we're gonna throw that in the fridge for an hour. We're gonna wind up with little scoops like this.
Yeah, and I'm going to use a little cookie scoop. And really, when you're making cookies, one of the most important things is to make sure they're all the same size. If one's bigger than the other, they're going to cook in different speeds, and that's how you're going to get bad cookies. So I'm going to show you a little tip too, though. When you have a sticky dough like we're going to have here, if you just take your Challenge butter wrapper that you had your butter in, and just use that leftover butter and kind of coat the inside, your dough is going to come out.
Pop it out. Okay.
Absolutely. So it's kind of a good trick to do that. So I have all the balls here. Then I'm just going to take a regular drinking glass. I'm just going to slightly flatten out each
Okay, I
little
thought
ball.
you were gonna push it all the way down.
Not all the way. And you know what? This is kind of an optional thing, but I like my cookies a little flatter. If you don't do this, they turn into domes. Okay, so I'm just going to do this all the way through. And then to get the kind of that cool crackle design, I'm going to take these and dip them into powdered sugar.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so just a quick little
Cook
run
the whole thing.
the whole thing. And then what happens is it bakes, it spreads out and makes all the little cracks, and then you're left with a little design of the powdered
How
sugar.
easy is that?
Isn't that easy? So these just go into a 375-degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes.
And that's what you wind up with.
And that's what you wind up. Be careful not to over-bake them. That is really the secret. You don't want any like brown color on them. They should be nice and moist and ooey-gooey and absolutely delicious.
Livingacreativelife.net for the recipe.